Hi everyone, this is Melanie Queen from Queens Falls County. Today we're going to go over invoices and products and services. So to be able to do that, go over here to Sales and click on Invoices in QuickBooks. And then when you click on a new invoice, it will come up with your customized invoice. You'll enter in the customer and all the information that you want to do. You can add billable time in QuickBooks. We're just not going to worry about that part. And then you'll enter all the information here and you'll save and send it. And then when you save and send it, when you save and send it, it'll come up with that email part. Okay, so then in products and services, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that your products and your services are entered here correctly. So to do that, you're going to want to go new here, and you're going to choose if it's an inventory or a service. I'm going to choose it as an example of a service and say it's going to be landscaping. And you can choose a category, landscaping. If it's not listed, you can do, say you want landscaping for rocks. Okay, so then you can add rocks, and that will be a new category. And then you can put a description of the sales form. You can see if it's a service or if it is another account, which account is actually going to invoice, the income service account or another account. If you do not see that listed, you can make up an account and you can add it here. Okay, so sometimes the account will be listed. You're just gonna have to create it. And then you'll see sales price. Is it taxable or not? This is a service, so it's not taxable. And then, did you purchase this product or service from another vendor? If you did, check that box. And your original cost and your preferred vendor that you bought it from. Okay? So then you can track, what you're buying wholesale and selling retail. Okay? And then in Wave, you're going to go back up to the menu and you're going to click on Sales. And for invoices, it's right here. You can also create reoccurring invoices as well, and I can go over that, or go over that another time. So once you want to create an invoice, you create an invoice here, and this where you enter in all the information. You can add a customer if you don't have any customers, and enter the items, which again I don't have any items. So we'll go to products and services. And you'll create a new product or service. You enter the name and the description of it, and if you bought it from someone else, you check this box. If you're selling it, check this box. Is it sales taxed at the price? All that you want to enter here, and then you'll save it. Okay, so then for recurring invoices, so you want to make an invoice reoccurring, you'll go to New Invoice here, and you click on this Make Reoccurring. You'll enter in the information that you want, so how often you want that invoice to be recurring, if you want it monthly, weekly, monthly, daily, etc. So you can do it there. And then in Wave, that there. See Wave, you just click on Recurring Invoices. So if you want it to be automatically sent, which that's what I do with my clients, we automatically send their invoice. I automatically bill them as well. So if you want to do that, you actually are going to want to do a recurring sales receipt instead of an invoice, but it's basically the same thing. Down here, it will ask you on the sales receipt which payment method you want, and you just choose that payment method right here. And then you can enter the information here, and it will tax them accordingly. So here, on Wave, you can do automatic payments and flexible scheduling, and you can have professional looking invoices. So you'll want to enter in all the information here. You can choose if you want the payment to be due upon receipt. Again, you can choose when you want it to do, and you can choose if it's automatically generated on the date. And you'll enter in the information here about what you're trying to bill your client, and then you'll save it here and continue. Okay, so once you enter your customer's information, you'll click on Save here. Okay, and then we'll do landscaping, and we'll put landscaping garden. And okay, so I'm going to bill $100 to this customer. We're going to save and continue. And once we do that, then we can repeat the invoice on a monthly basis. We can create it in a specific time zone. Once we choose what we want to do, when we want to start it, when it needs to be sent, all that, we click on Next. Then you'll enter in your credit card details for your client. It does not let you do ACH payments automatically, but QuickBooks does. And it looks like then after you enter the credit information, you sit next, and then you'll enter what you want to send them, and it will send them the invoice. So let me know if you have any questions, and if you haven't yet, review yesterday's video as well. Thank you, and have a great day.